Hey guys, Sarah here. Everybody's here. Oh my, hi. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing our Fabfitfun unboxing for the winter season. This box is a quarterly or seasonal box. You get it 4 times a year. It's $49.99 for each season. This is a lifestyle box that should have 8 to 10 full-sized products or home items, beauty, makeup, skincare, hair care, all sorts of different kind of things end up in these boxes. It should be valued at $200 or more. With this membership, you also get access to like the add-on sale and other things like that. As always, if I don't know if something's cruelty-free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box right down there, as well as breaking down the value of this box to find out whether we're getting a good deal or not. Alright, let's just go ahead and open it up. So when you open it up, it looks just like this. Right on top here is going to have our little magazine. I'll be honest, I don't really read this, but there is a page in here that should have all the possible things you could have gotten in your box. I am an annual member, so I pay for the full year right up front, and so I have more choices in my customization, but there are always some sort of customization options for everyone. Okay. Alright, so right on top, I don't know what this is. This is what I'm looking at. Oh, okay. So this is, if you see that right there, it's like a mattress thing. And this looks to be a sample of it. So that's what it looks like. It feels like super soft and like memory foam-ish, I guess I would say. Interesting. I think it's a weird thing to send, but I guess if you're wanting to buy this mattress and it's sold online, like this gives you a good idea for what it feels like. So that's what I got. There's a code right there to get $100 off this mattress. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out is something that all members had an option to customize. This is way bigger than I thought it was going to be. So I got this candle. It's a Jonathan Adler scented candle. Fleur de Sel is what it says. This is giant. It's sort of like a light, clean, like linen sort of scent is what I would compare it to. It comes in like this nice ceramic thing, which I like, and then it's got a little lid, which is nice for when you're done burning it, and if you have a lot of animals, like the animal hair doesn't end up in it, so I like that. The scent's not like my favorite. It's not my least favorite, though, so I definitely will burn this. Let's put that down before I break it. Okay, so with that customization option, you could have got a Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, an Unhide Lil Marshmallow Faux Fur Blanket, or R Plus Co Television Perfect Hair Shampoo and Conditioner, the candle that I got, or a Rebecca Minkoff Marled Beanie and Arm Warmer Set. I think I chose the candle just because I really like candles and it's something different. I get so much makeup and beauty products from my other subscription boxes, so I like the candle. I burn a candle probably every day, so I wanted to get that. That's why I chose that. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is something a little different. This is from Ban.do. This is a Bluetooth shower speaker. There it is. It's really cute. It's pink with flowers. So it comes with a little like USB charging cord, micro USB. And then it's got like the little suction to put on your shower and the little buttons on the front there. So I definitely will use this. I like listening to music or YouTube videos when I'm taking a bath or in the shower, so definitely will use this. I wanted, again, something a little bit different than what I get in almost every other box, so that's why I chose this. Alright, with this option you could have chosen Lash MD Eyelash Conditioner, something that I don't think I'm personally into. PJ Salvage Faux Trim Cable Slippers. I already have plenty of slippers. Erno Laszlo Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. I'm pretty sure it's not cruelty free. Or the speaker that I got. So that's sort of why I chose that. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from Rodial. I'm not sure how you say this. There's the packaging. This is the Soft Focus Glow Drops. So this is a Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. I really love the packaging on that. Looks super nice. It has a little bit of a scent to it, but it's like a citrusy sort of scent. So it says Soft Focus Glow, perfect base for makeup, dewy skin effect, antioxidant benefit for healthy looking skin. So definitely will give this a try. I'm pretty sure this is cruelty free. I normally research all the options before I choose and pick the one that's cruelty free. So definitely will give this a try. I like the packaging a lot. With this choice, you had the option of an Adore by Swarovski, how you say it? Organic Circle Bracelet in Rose Gold. You could have got the Baddington Lashes Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. I don't wear lashes. You could have gotten Karuna Face for All Eye and Mask Set. I have plenty of face masks at the moment, so I didn't really want that. Or the primer that I chose. So I'm happy with my choice there for sure. So those were all the options that every member had a choice in, basically. The next ones we're going to get into are the select members. So these are the members who pay for an annual subscription. So I had choice in these ones as well. The first one is this palette right here from Beauty Bakerie. This is Proof is in the Puddin eyeshadow palette. And I chose this not because I need another eyeshadow palette. That's literally the last thing I probably need in my life. I've just never tried anything from this brand, so I wanted to try something from them. So that's why I chose it. The packaging is so cute. Really love it. So let's see. I was half thinking it would smell like bananas because there's like bananas all over it. Here's what it looks like though. It's a very neutral palette. It's a palette right up my alley. I really enjoy neutral makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch a few of these just to get a feel for them. So let's do a quick little swatch. Oh, those shimmers are nice. That bread pudding one is not as good. It's just a lighter color, I guess. It actually swatches decently, but ooh, but that gold at the top, I really like that. So yeah, this is something I'm definitely excited about, something I definitely will play around with. All right, and with that option, you could have gotten the palette that I got. You could have got a Limi Pure Nilotica Melt, which I don't even know what that means. You could have got the Vouray Sidekick Crossbody Bag, or you could have gotten Paper Source 12-month Rose Floral Planner. So I'm happy with my choice just because I've always wanted to try that brand, so I'm excited that I get to. Okay, so the next thing I have is the color switch from Vera Mona. This is an instant brush cleaner. And there's what it looks like in the box. Gosh dang it, Sarah. I didn't know this box was coming today. I actually already filmed a video earlier, and then I think this was supposed to come tomorrow, and here it is today, and I cleaned my brushes today. So maybe I can get one dirty real quick and try to use this. The premise is you use a brush and you put it in here, and this like, it's like a floor mat, I guess is what I'd say. And it's supposed to clean it so that it gets the pigment off and you're able to use that same brush again. And it says you just simply wash this and you can reuse it again. So that's good. Let me grab a brush. Let's grab one that's white. And we'll just go into this palette right here. We'll go into a dark color so we can get a real feel for it. Okay, there it is on the brush. Alright, so I'm just gonna put it in here. Okay, so it definitely got a lot off. It didn't get all of it off, which makes sense. It's pigment, it's going to stain, but let's see. I'm rubbing it on my hand and no color is coming off of it. So I think this definitely works. I also think that you don't need this. I think I always just keep a washcloth on my vanity, and I do the same thing, and it sort of has the same concept. This just sort of looks prettier. Okay, and with that option, you could have gotten an Ahava salt bag, which I don't know what that means. Some of these names. the Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub, which sounds kind of nice, or the color switch. So that's what I chose there. Okay, so the next item we're going to talk about is something that Fabfitfun picked for me. There was two choices here, and for me they chose this, which is Cuccio, I don't know how you say this word. This is the Yoga Calm Plus Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. This is a daily cleansing ritual with lavender oil. So there it is. This is a brand I've not heard of, but it does say it's cruelty free on the back. Kind of weird to have it be a hand soap with Epsom salt. Let me give it a sniff. Yeah, it smells a lot like lavender. So I'm probably going to pass this along to someone or throw it into a giveaway. I just don't enjoy the scent of lavender that much. So this is probably something not for me. The other thing I could have gotten was the Incredible Nails Inc. Thirsty Hand Mask Duo, which I don't know if that's something I would use either. I think hand masks are sort of weird, interesting, not something I'm into. So, not really excited about either option there. Okay, and then we have two more items, and these are things that every person got in their box. The first one is from Drybar. This is the Prime and Prep Detangler. This is cruelty free. I feel like I've used a dry shampoo from them, if I remember correctly. So it's like a heat protectant detangling spray. I definitely will use this. I really like the packaging on it. It seems really nice. And then the last thing I have is the makeup eraser. And I did get a small one of these before. This is like how big it is. It's pink. So basically you get it wet, you wipe it off your makeup, and then the other side exfoliates. I have a couple of these from other brands, which I really like. This one is like super, super soft. They are, I'm gonna just try to take off my dry eyeshadow here. So I just had eyeshadow in my hand, now it's gone. These are really good if you're like me and trying to eliminate your makeup wipe usage. I know I am, so definitely excited to have this. I will use it, just add it to my pile, less laundry for me to do. And I think I have 3 of these from another brand. So now I have 4, so not mad. All right, so very quickly we can go over the values of everything. So the makeup eraser wipe washcloth, whatever this is called, is $20. The Drybar Prep Rally Detangler Spray is $23. The whatever this is, Cuccio, a hand and body soap, is $39.95, so a little bit expensive. The Beauty Bakerie palette is valued at $38. The Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops is valued at $55. That's expensive. The little shower speaker here is valued at $30. The Vera Color Switch Solo is valued at $16.99. Ugh, this candle's dangerous for me. What's the brand? Jonathan Adler candle is valued at $48, so that's a little bit expensive. So overall, I actually really like this box. There's only one thing that I'm kind of not into, and that's the body wash that Fabfitfun chose for me. But overall, I liked everything else. I definitely am planning on keeping all this, so that's always good. I like Fabfitfun because if things I don't keep in here make for great gifts, so that's kind of the nice thing about this box, in my opinion. But yeah, overall, really like this box. I'd love to know your comments down below. What did you get in your box if you get this box? If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me if you want to see more videos like this from me. More unboxings, all that good stuff. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.